Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought today I'm going to share with you guys what is in my personal makeup bag. So let's get started. Alright, so my personal makeup bag. First of all, this is my bag. This is what it looks like. I love it. I bought it last year, actually on the RealReal, which is one of my favorite sites. It's a Goyard bag and I love it. I love the color. Every time I look at it, it makes me happy. It's the perfect size. So I'm going to walk you through what are my current favorite makeup products in my personal bag. I just want to mention that, you know, as a makeup artist, I do get quite a lot of products sent to me. So what I always do is I sort of like test out products. So this is not what I have always in my bag, but this is what's currently in my bag. So let me walk you through it. All right, the first product I'm going to share with you guys is a natural product. It's the brand called Ilia. I love this. This is a super serum skin tint. It has SPF of 40 and it's a great cover-up. This is what it looks like. It comes with this dropper and I love wearing it because it's super light. It looks really natural on the skin and I don't feel like I'm wearing a ton of foundation, but it still does the job. It like takes care of my redness and I love that it has SPF of 40. The next product is a concealer by Dior. This is a fairly new product by Dior. It's called the Forever Skin Corrector in the shade 2.5. And what I love about this concealer is, first of all, I love the little doe foot applicator and it works really well as a concealer, but I also really love using it as a foundation. So the way how you wear it as a foundation, you just, you know, make tiny little dots on your face and then you shear it out with like a nice foundation brush or a makeup sponge. It's really great as a foundation. Another product I've been loving is the Fenty Contour Stick. This is what it looks like. You guys, I think, have seen me use this in previous videos, but what I love about this is, first of all, the color is perfect for my skin color and I love that you can use it directly out of the bullet. I use it underneath my cheekbone, in my jawline, on my forehead, and it's a really great way of a quick little natural contour. This is a brand new product by Kosas. I love it. It's a bronzer. I love the packaging. I love the finish of this bronzer. It's the shade number 2. And the way how I apply this is with a big fluffy brush. And it just gives me a really nice sort of like golden bronze. And I also like using it on my eyes instead of an eyeshadow. All right, in terms of my eye makeup, in my personal life, I don't wear a lot of eye makeup. I don't wear a lot of eyeshadow. What I personally like to do is either I use a nice eyeliner. The one I love is by Clé de Peau. Their liquid eyeliner in either brown or black is my go-to eyeliner. So I have that in my personal bag. Another pencil, this is a brand new pencil. I actually have it on right now and I've been using that in the upper inner waterline. The shade is called Jasper and it's kind of like a purpley, brownish, bronzy eyeliner pencil. It's so beautiful, very, very gorgeous. It glides on, it's really easy to use, and you don't only have to use it in the waterline, you can also obviously use it as an eyeliner, but I love the color and the payoff of this eyeliner. And another eye pencil eyeliner I have been loving is this brand called Able. It's a makeup artist here in Los Angeles who created this line. I've been really loving her product. She makes a great mascara. I love her black eyeliner pencil. This one also works really well in the waterline, and I love the little brush it comes with on the end of the eyeliner. In terms of mascara, I don't have a particular favorite mascara, but the one I've been really loving lately is a mascara by Chantecaille, this guy right here. I love everything about it. I love the brush, the formulation. It doesn't really smudge. It's really like, it gives me a nice long and full lash. It's really great. And for my eyebrows, I switch around. I have been using a lot of times the Anastasia products, and then I moved on to the Hourglass pencils, and lately I just grabbed this the other day and I really like it. It's a Tom Ford. I brow pencil in the shade, I think it's 02 or 03. I'm gonna put it in the description box, but I really love this eyebrow pencil. It's really nice. Tools and brushes. The first thing I really like is this Tweezerman. It's a little brush, and I use it after I've applied my mascara, just in case if I have something, if it's clumpy. It's just really nice to like even out your lashes. Another thing I love having in my personal, always use my lash curler. I always use a lash curler because it opens up my eyes, so that's a must. And in terms of brushes, I have always about 3 to 4 brushes in my bag. These, and I always switch them out. The ones I love right now, this is a collaboration with Sephora and Milk. I really love this guy. It's a really nice fluffy big brush, and this one is great for your bronzer or for blush. Really, really nice brush. And it also comes in a smaller version, and I really like this shape. This works really well for powder underneath your eyes, or any pressed kind of powder, for any kind of touch-ups. Really beautiful, nice tapered brush. And then for my foundation, I've been loving my Artiste brush for blending, you know, down the neck and the edges. It's really, really nice. And another blush I've been using a lot is this Il Maquillage blush. This one is really great for, again, powder, or if I want to use it for a little bit of contour, or I use it also for my blush. I have that in my bag. And then I also love a smudger brush. This guy here is by Sigma. It's the E21 brush. This is great for just any kind of like small detail work around the eyes, or I like using it when I create an eyeliner and I put a little bit of shadow on top of it, just to kind of like diffuse the line, or if I want to make the line a little bit more smudgy. And those are my brushes. And for blush, I always have 2 options in my bag. I like a cream blush and I like a powder blush. For powder blush right now, I have my Cheek to Chic by Charlotte Tilbury. I know that this color kind of looks kind of, you know, whatever, but it is, I love the payoff. It's a really beautiful nude. It has a pop of color in there. So this is a really great like natural blush I've been using sort of like every day. And for my cream blush, I've been using the Peony Pink by Honest. And it's just like a gorgeous pink, which, you know, looks really beautiful just for like a pop of color on your cheeks. Of lips, I like to have a few options. I always have a good lip balm, a good lip liner, and a few different colors of lipsticks and lip glosses, just depending on what mood I'm in and what I'm doing on the day when I'm wearing it. And the texture is really important for me as well. Sometimes I just want something really natural, and sometimes I want a little bit more payoff. So in terms of lip balm, the one I'm loving at the moment is this brand called Biossance, and it's the Rose Vegan Lip Balm. I just got the entire line sent the other day. They have beautiful skincare products as well, and I really like this because it's natural, it smells really good, and the texture of it is fantastic. I always love to have a lip liner in my bag. The one I'm carrying right now is by Xoxo. This particular one I love. The color is so beautiful, and sometimes I just wear it by itself. Like I just put a little lip balm underneath and I wear that, and I love it because it feels really natural on the lips, and it gives a really nice sort of like flushy, pinky, nudie payoff. So that's a good one. And then in terms of lipsticks, the one I'm loving right now is by Charlotte Tilbury, and the color is the perfect coral for me. I love this color so much. I just sort of like tap it onto my lips, and coral is one of my favorite shades, and this is sort of like a go-to everyday lipstick. And I also love having a lip gloss or a lip oil. Dior makes fantastic lip oils. This is a brand new product by Dior. They come in a few different shades. I love the applicator. It doesn't feel like a lip gloss. It's not sticky, but it definitely has sort of like a glossy finish, and it feels really comfortable on the lip. So I love the Dior lip oils. And then this is a newer brand, and I actually just did a video on YouTube just using Dear Dahlia products. I love the packaging and how small it is, and it's a natural product. It's vegan and cruelty free, and this particular shade is gorgeous because it's just like a very nudie, pinky, like very light. It almost looks like nothing when you wear it, but I just love just a very natural color, or it's a very beautiful color if you just want to top it off on top of a lip liner or a lipstick. And the last product, this is definitely one of my ultimate favorite lip products. It's by Clé de Peau. It's the Liquid Rouge Matte. It's the perfect coral. All of you know how much I love a coral, and I love the texture. I love that it's matte, and this is definitely something I wear, you know, in the evening, or I also like wearing it during the day with just like mascara, jeans, and a white t-shirt. Like one of my ultimate favorite colors. And yeah, and that's it. And I hope that you enjoyed like all my newer products I have in my personal makeup bag. Let me know what else you would like to see. I've been trying to create a lot of content for you guys in the time I've been home and not really working on set. So I have more time than usual. So leave me down in the comments below what you would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe as always, and like my video, and I see you next time. Bye!